Now that you've purchased your new hearing aids, you'll need to know how to use and take care of them. Insert a new battery when you receive your hearing aid. The high BTE hearing aids use a 312 battery. Remove a fresh battery from the battery pack. Peel off the tab and wait 1 full minute to activate the battery. Next, gently pull open the battery door with your fingernail. Insert the battery with the plus side up into the battery door. The magnet on the battery replacement tool can be used if needed. Gently close the battery door. If the door does not close easily, check to see if the battery was inserted properly. To remove the battery, gently pull open the battery door. Turn the hearing aid over and release the used battery into the opposite hand. The battery life for your hearing aid varies depending on usage. You'll be reminded to change your battery when you hear a voice prompt say, "low battery." If your hearing aid says, "replace battery," your hearing aid will shut off immediately and will not work until you replace the battery. The hearing aid battery door acts as an on-off switch. When you want to turn on the hearing aid, place the battery in the battery door with the plus side up and gently close it. The hearing aid powers on after 5 seconds of closing the battery door. When the battery door is open, the hearing aid is off. To turn off the hearing aid, simply open the door. When you're not wearing the hearing aid, keep the battery door open to extend battery life. You do not need to remove the battery. There are several ways to determine the left and right hearing aid. For hearing aid models with an ear tube and tip, locate the colored letters and numbers near the tip. Red text indicates right ear. Blue text indicates left ear. If you are using a custom ear mold or power dome, you will need to look at the battery door of the hearing aid for the red dot on the right or no color dot on the left. You may also use the tip direction. When holding the hearing aid, the tip should point toward the ear canal. It's easy to put on your hearing aid. If you wear eyeglasses or use oxygen, put them on before you place the hearing aid on your ear. For hearing aid models with an ear tube and tip, place the hearing aid over the top of your ear until it rests securely behind your ear. While holding the ear back, insert the tip into your ear canal. Gently slide the retention loop along the body of your ear. The retention loop will tuck in easily and conform to the shape of your ear. The length of the ear tube needs to be flush with your temple. For hearing aid models with a power dome or ear mold, place your hearing aid over the top of your ear until it rests securely behind the ear. While holding the ear back, insert the power dome or ear mold into your ear canal. The length of the ear tube needs to be flush with your temple. This is crucial to avoid whistling and to receive enough volume. Please call customer service at 855-523-9355 and press 2 if any of the following occur. The hearing aid is too high up or far back on the ear. The ear tube is falling off top of ear. The ear tube is pulling out of the ear canal. The power dome or ear mold is too loose, or you experience whistling or squealing. The program button allows you to choose between the different programs for different listening environments. To change a program, simply press and release the program button, the smaller top button on the hearing aid. Spend the majority of time using Program 1 or 2, depending on the environment. Use Program 3 when using the telephone. The volume button allows you to choose between 6 volume levels. Each time you turn on the hearing aid, it will start at volume level 3. To increase the volume, press and release the volume button, the round lowermost button on the hearing aid. The hearing aid will tell you which volume level has been selected. To decrease the volume, continue to press the volume button until it cycles through the maximum volume and back to volume 1. Then proceed to your desired volume level. It's important to keep your hearing aids clean and dry at all times. Given that earwax is common, replace the ear tube and tip every 3 months, or replace power domes every 6 months. Between replacements, you'll need to clean the ear tube and tip or the power dome once a week. To detach the tube and tip or power dome from your hearing aid, grasp the hearing aid end of the ear tube and tip or power dome. Gently twist the ear tube 1/4 turn and pull to remove it from the hearing aid. Do not bend the ear tube and tip or power dome back and forth to remove it. To clean the tube and tip, thread the cleaning wire through the ear tube, starting at the hearing aid end until it comes out at the tip. Make sure the wire goes through the tube in only one direction. Do not reverse the wire back through the ear tube. Wipe off the wire so it is ready for the next cleaning. Clean the ear tip with a dry cloth. After cleaning, reattach the tube and tip by simply snapping it back onto the hearing aid. To clean a power dome, remove the wax from the outside of the dome by wiping it off daily with a dry cloth or non-alcohol wipe. To remove wax from the sound opening of the dome, use the loop end of the battery replacement tool. After cleaning, reattach the power dome by simply snapping it back onto the hearing aid. Please leave your ear hook, tube, and ear mold attached to the hearing aid while cleaning, and do not get the hearing aid wet. First, remove the wax from the outside of the ear mold by wiping it off daily with a dry cloth or non-alcohol wipe. Second, remove wax from the sound opening by using the loop end of the battery replacement tool. You have received drying capsules with your hearing aids to help keep them dry. Remove the drying capsule from the packaging. Be careful not to puncture or remove the paper backing from the drying capsule. Place the drying capsule with the white paper backing facing out into the net on the inside of the carrying case. Open the battery doors and place the hearing aids in the carrying case. Close and zip carrying case to allow the drying capsule to pull out any moisture. It's time to replace the capsule when the crystals become discolored. Capsules should be replaced every 1 to 2 months. The keys to getting the most benefit from your hearing aids are practice and patience. It may take a few weeks before you're comfortable with your hearing aids and can fully enjoy the benefits. Be patient as you adjust to hearing sounds that you may not have heard in a long time. Your ultimate goal is to wear your hearing aids all day, every day. For more information about how to use your HealthInnovations hearing aids, please visit HealthInnovations.com or call 855-523-9355 and press 2.